Okay, these are some shoes. Hi Foxes, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again. Today I have a video for you of one of the Thredup rescue boxes. I've been watching a lot of these videos on YouTube from other resellers, and they always look like a little bit of fun, and I love a good mystery. So they sent out a coupon for, I believe, 20% off the rescue boxes, and I grabbed one of the shoe boxes. So I think it's supposed to have 7 pairs of shoes. I believe I paid $35 for it, somewhere around there. So it was about like $5 or $6 for each pair. And I was like, well, why not? I have a million other pairs of shoes to list, so why not add to the pile? So I really enjoy listing shoes because I think it's really easy. This is the box that they sent it in, and I ordered them in my size, so they're all 7.5. And the reason I did that was because I love shoes, and I figured, well, maybe if I get something that I really like, it'll just be worth it on that alone. So I guess the box is normally $40, and then I got a discount on it. So, all right. Okay, these are some shoes. All right, so the first pair of shoes that I'm laughing at is this insane pair of shoes. So these are crazy. These are like a floral platform with like a snake print heel and a leopard print, or like a snake print platform and a leopard print heel. And they're in pretty good shape. You know, they're clean and everything. So it's gonna be, that'll be interesting to sell. And I've never heard of this brand, Ziggy Soho, but it's all synthetic, so it can't be like that expensive. Let's see. The next pair is a pair of, they're all just kind of like dumped in there, so I'm kind of having to piece the pairs together. The next pair is a pair of Cupid shoes. Let's see if I can. It says Flawless. So it's a pair of flats, and this brand, they do sell this brand at ModCloth, but I don't think these were sold there. I should have a pretty easy time selling these, but probably not for a lot of money. I'd be lucky to get 15 to 20 bucks for these. So. Let's see. All right. So the rest of them are just black shoes. So for me, that's pretty boring. We'll see. Some Chinese laundry platforms. These look like they're pretty much in good condition, but they've definitely been worn. They have some like wear on the inside. They're just like a black faux suede platform by Chinese Laundry. Got a zipper heel by Moda Spana. Just look like this. These are kind of edgy. They're alright. That's something that I would like pick up at the store if I saw it, but I won't mind putting them in my closet. These I will just take straight to the consignment store because they're not my aesthetic at all, but they are washable Rockport shoes, and I mean they're in good shape, so there's that. But yeah, just not my style. And let's see, another pair. Man, they really like heels. These are 9 West. They are at least leather, and they're just a double strap pointed toe, like almost Mary Jane style. And I think they're in pretty good shape, so. I mean, they've definitely been worn, but they're relatively clean. Yeah, so a lot of black shoes going on here. And the last pair is a pair of like garbage sneakers that I'll probably just take to consignment. This is Airwalk sneakers. They're made to look like Converse, but they're not. So, knockoff Converse. Yeah, so that was it. Would I do that again? Maybe, for the fun of it, but not because I thought that I got anything really good. I will not be keeping any of these. None of them are my style. And I'll be listing 5 of the 7 pairs in my Poshmark closet, and then taking 2 pairs to consignment. So I'm sure, you know, I'll get my money back and then some, but nothing high dollar, nothing crazy. So if you're thinking about doing this box, you can use this as a judgment. Let me know if you actually purchased one of these boxes in the comments down below. Let me know what you got. Yeah, I'd love to hear or see. If you have a YouTube channel, link me. Thanks. Bye.